Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be making Korean lunchbox cakes or bento cakes because here on my YouTube channel I actually hit 7K, which is a really big accomplishment for me. And then also on my anime TikTok I actually hit double digits, which is super exciting. And so I will be making two separate cakes for those to help celebrate it. Pause. Coming at you with editing Linda. I just want to take a moment to thank you guys for 7K here on my YouTube channel. I've been posting on YouTube for 5 years now. Really inconsistent of course. However, your continued support drives my passion to create videos. Just by watching, liking, or commenting on my videos help contribute to support my channel. Whether you guys join in the beginning, the middle, or if you're new, I really appreciate you guys for being here and you guys mean so much to me. Anyways, back to the video. And I think it's just to, you know, celebrate the little things. And I've been wanting to make these for so long. They're so aesthetic and I see them everywhere on TikTok, Pinterest, and YouTube as well. So let's go ahead and make these. So I wanted to show you guys the initial design for these cakes. I drew them in Procreate so I can help plan what I wanted the design to be. And then I thought to myself, why don't I just clean this up and make into a sticker, which I'm so excited to show you guys. The top two cakes is designed by today's lunchbox cakes and they look so cute. I really like the way that they turned out. I've always wanted to make stickers, so I'm so excited that this is happening. Anyways, let's go ahead and make the cakes.
To me, guess I'm missing all your energy. That's all I want. That's all I want. Promise I am not your enemy. I just need another memory. That's all I want. 'Cause all I want is you. Is you. It takes two. 'Cause all I want is you.
in the end, these are how it turned out. My sister actually made the little frog, which is really cute, really derpy. But we're gonna go ahead and enjoy it. Thank you guys so much for following me on TikTok and on YouTube as well. So let's taste test. So this is a lavender cake. The only lavender really was in the sugar, so it shouldn't be like super. It's a lot of frosting. It's a lot of frosting. It's a lot of frosting. This will be fun. Hey, no. I wish I had milk. I mean, we can go get some. It's right over there. That was it. Bye, guys. The cake was good. It was pretty good. Do you think it's lavender enough? It was. It's just too much frosting. Okay. Bye, guys.